Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a great day today. We're just going to be sending it to the Hay River and seeing what fish are around and what fish we can catch. So yeah, that's basically the plan for today. So just sit back, relax in your chairs and enjoy this amazing episode. He's only a little fish. Yeah. Keep him.
Oh, it doesn't matter, he's only a little fish, mate.
Oh. Yep, feels like it. Yep.
Just put your line in over, I'm going to put it out a little bit.
Oh, he's running with it. Oh,
Off.
yeah. Oh, he snapped me off.
Okay, it's right, we're gonna...
I reckon that would have been like a jewfish or something. Or
Pretty good. Lose all your gear?
just
He was a toothy, whatever he was.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your binding.
So the location we're coming up to now is called Amrun, which is a bauxite mine in Weipa. And this crane you see is used for grabbing the containers of ore and loading it up onto its ship, then taking it away and transferring it onto the huge ore ships. So what we're coming up to now has some interesting bits of kit. Not sure what they do, but the elevated work platform is about 2 meters above water level in the middle of the Hay River. Not sure what it's used for. Haven't seen anyone on it yet. And it's catfish. So we were sitting above an old underwater wreck about 5 to 10 meters below water. Usually has some good fish on it, but it just wasn't our luck today. So we decided to punch on into the fingers of the Hay River and see what we could do.
Another good one.
Yep,
Jeez, that's a big fish there.
I got him just in the bar.
Nice fish. They're right, they didn't play.
Come on. Woo! This one's a good one.
You're going back over this way?
He going around. Oh, this one's a big one.
Yeah, bring him up when you can.
Oh. Get him.
Where's he come up on there?
Ready? Now. Another. How good? We're headed back out of the Hay River now. We caught 2 queenies, 3 finger mark, and the rest were just catfish. That's why I didn't bother to record it. We're heading back home now after a day's fishing. It's been pretty fun, but now it's blown up and we're just going to send it back. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.